Hello, this is Michelle, founder of Aurozia Jewelry. I'm an astrologer and I also work as an Eastern metaphysics consultant. A lot of people ask, what's the difference between the Western 4 elements and the Eastern 5 elements? Or which one is more accurate? But honestly, this is kind of a wrong question from the start. Those two systems are never meant to answer exactly the same. They focus on different aspects of life. But at the same time, they can connect and even complement each other. The Western 4 elements, fire, earth, air, and water, come from ancient Greek natural philosophy around the 5th century BCE. The first person to systematize this idea was a philosopher Empedocles. He believed that the world isn't made of just one kind of substance, but the 4 root elements in different proportions. So why are philosophers back then so obsessed with asking, what's the world made of? Because ancient Greece was going through a big shift from myth to reason. People stopped just asking, it's the will of the gods. They wanted to explain the world through logic, observation, and the natural laws. So in essence, the 4 elements are about understanding the structure of the world. Everything in the system is just fire, earth, air, water in different combinations. Later, Aristotle refined the system, adding 4 basic qualities: hot, cold, dry, and wet. So, fire equals to hot and dry, air equals to hot and wet, water equals to cold and wet, and the earth equals to cold and dry. Those qualities form a kind of dual structure, turning the 4 elements into more than just building blocks. They become a way of categorize nature and personality. That's exactly why in Western astrology, the 4 elements describe character. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, is action, passion, expression. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, stability, practicality, results-oriented. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, thinking, communication, abstract ideas. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpion, Pisces, emotion, intuition, psychologically depths. So basically, the 4 elements in astrology answers the question, what kind of person are you? In short, Western 4 elements tend to focus more on structure of both the world and the personality, while Eastern 5 elements tend to focus more on the change, reason, and timing. The Eastern 5 elements has a totally different origin. They didn't come from abstract thinking, they came from watching nature, time, and cycles. If you look at the text, the 5 elements are already taking shape in the Sun and the Tang dynasties, and become a 4 system by the spring and the autumn period, used in calendars, agriculture, medicine, and governance. Back then, people are asking, why did the season change? Why do things grow, peak, decline, and renew? The 5 elements aren't material elements, but type of energy, emotion over time. Wood means growth, extension, beginnings. Fire is outward movement, acceleration, peak energy. Earth is support, digestion, integration, stability. Metal is contraction, structure, boundaries. Water is storage, reflection, inward focus, potential. The focus isn't categorization, it's change, reason, and the cycles. So the main difference is Western 4 elements tend to focus on what's the structure of the world. Eastern 5 elements tend to focus on how does the world operate and change. This also answers a common question, why are there 5 elements instead of 4? In the 5 element system, Earth isn't just another element on the same level as wood, fire, metal, and water. It represents the integration, balance, and the transition point between the other 4. Think of the Earth as the result state of the other energies. It's less about composition and more about timing when the energy is ready to move to the next phase. Both Western astrology and the 5 elements can give you insights into your birth chart and the flow of your life. That said, astrology works well for understanding your personality, drives, life things, and different planets has different cycles and meanings. The 5 elements, on the other hand, are better at spotting timing, highlighting important cycles, especially every 10 years and each year, showing when energy is flowing, blocked, or being amplified. One shows the energy you are born with, the other hints at the best timing to work with it. Understanding both lets you move with the rhythm of the life instead of forcing things. And once you get the basics and how they differ, applying astrology and the 5 elements in everyday life become much easier and more natural. Aurozia exists between 2 systems, seeking balance and integration. Our designs are built on narrative and metaphor. Symbols, totems, and archetypes are not layered for visual effect, but as response to the shared human unconscious and the inner phases we all move through.